Who gives a fuck about you niggas criticizing and judging me? I've been out here for a long time, I'm still on my grind. Fuck a hater, ain't no budging me. Who gives a fuck about you niggas criticizing and judging me? I've been out here for a long time, I'm still on my grind. Fuck a hater, ain't no budging me.
Nah, my uncle told me I had to cry before I walk. And I did a lot of crawling and I still ain't walked far. Cause these trials and tribulations that I'm facing in these streets steady stopping me from prospering and stay up on my feet. Here we go, once again, I was struggling to maintain. First is free my niggas, now it's deeper than the game. On my bitches swinging shit, dirty dancing on you bitches. DeadBolt in these streets, motivated to get these riches. So I apologize, I ain't on my bending knee, begging for your sympathy to help me eat up in these streets. Hustling is my motivation, my nigga, to get that money in the jungle. I'm a beast standing tall like a G, nigga.
Who gives a fuck about you niggas criticizing and judging me? I've been out here for a long time, I'm still on my grind. Fuck a hater, ain't no budging me. Who gives a fuck about you niggas criticizing and judging me? I've been out here for a long time, I'm still on my grind. Fuck a hater, ain't no budging me.
Born with no dad, so I had to get it in. Plugged on any drug, catch me with the mean mug, fuck a club. I'm tired of losing my niggas to the mud, gone in the wind. Got me sipping here, straight murder case. I'm rolling with gorillas, DeadBolt niggas, no chillin', making a killing. Chasing figures, you know about that issue, bitch, nigga, you get the picture. Who gives a fuck about you criticizing and judging me? I've been out here for a long time, still on my grind, fuck a hater, ain't no budging me. King still pimpin', pop my collar on a hater, alligator, see you later. Paper chaser, money, make a regulator, I'm a player, fuck a hater. We living in hell, crack sales, so I gotta get mail. Don't wanna be the next nigga to fall to the system, so I gotta keep pushing so my kids won't miss me.
Who gives a fuck about you niggas criticizing and judging me? I've been out here for a long time, I'm still on my grind. Fuck a hater, ain't no budging me. Who gives a fuck about you niggas criticizing and judging me? I've been out here for a long time, I'm still on my grind. Fuck a hater, ain't no budging me.
The only guy can judge me, I'm a human, so I make mistakes. Lord forgive me for my sins, cause I just tried to make a way. Niggas ever talk it down, but never say it to my face. Yeah, but niggas lock it down, so really it ain't too much to say. When you niggas ever real, stand to be around you, homies who don't wanna see me with shit, but I'm on the block trying to get the work so I can feel. But damn, I got these bitches, now I know me, running they live. These niggas who wanna test me like I ain't gon' let it rip. This all I know, I just hope a nigga make it in the hard times I'm going through. Call it motivation. I'm on a mission, the money's the destination. Try to push, but I won't buzz. So like a man, I gotta take.
Who gives a fuck about you niggas criticizing